Welcome back, friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick for sprucing up your email campaigns, how to add spacing between bullet point lines in Mailchimp. If you've ever noticed that your bullet lists look a little squished together or hard to read, this quick adjustment will make a world of difference, giving your content some breathing room and making it look much more professional. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily increase the spacing between your bullet points for a cleaner, more inviting email design. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to your campaign design inside Mailchimp. So if you haven't already, log into Mailchimp and pull up the email you're working on. You can do this by going to your campaign's dashboard, finding the email design you want to edit, and clicking to open it up in the design editor. If you're brand new to Mailchimp, don't worry, this visual editor is fairly user-friendly. Take a moment to find your way around if you need to. Next, look for the section or content block that contains your bullet point list. Once you see it, you're going to select all of the text in that bulleted list. Usually, you can do this by just clicking and dragging your mouse over the entire bulleted section. Make sure you've highlighted all the lines you want to adjust, not just one bullet. This is important because if you only select part of your list, you'll end up with uneven spacing and your email might look a bit inconsistent. If you have trouble highlighting, try clicking at the start of the first bullet and holding down Shift while clicking at the end of the last bullet. That should grab everything in between. Now with your bullet points selected, turn your attention up to the top of the editor's toolbar. You'll see a variety of formatting options up there: bold, italic, font size, and so on. Look for a button or drop-down labeled line height, or sometimes it just shows as an icon with stacked horizontal lines and a little arrow. Line height controls the vertical space between lines of text, a bit like adjusting how tightly the lines are packed together. Click on that and you'll usually see options to increase or decrease the spacing. If it's set to a low value, such as 1 or 1.2, try bumping it up to 1.5 or even 2. You'll see the bullets start to breathe a lot more and the list instantly gets easier on the eyes. If you want to get technical, think of line height as the digital equivalent of giving each bullet point a little personal space at a party. No one feels crowded and everyone can stand out. Take a moment here to review the spacing and see what looks best. You don't want the bullets to be so far apart they look disconnected, but you also want them to be much easier to scan. If it doesn't look right at first, go ahead and tweak the line height up or down until you're happy with it. Remember, you're aiming for readability and visual balance. And honestly, that's it. As soon as you increase the line height, Mailchimp automatically updates your design in real time. Don't forget to preview your email or send yourself a test to make sure the bullets look clean on both desktop and mobile devices, just in case. So that's all there is to it. A few clicks and your bullet points go from cramped to clean. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own Mailchimp design tips, drop a comment below. Let's all help each other out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.